Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, how are you? This is my first English version video because most of friends requesting me to make English, but remember that my English is not 100% okay. So please understand, and if I make any mistakes, so please forgive. Okay, so this video is depend on the price actions, only price actions. I am telling you about the price actions rules and price actions details, because the price action is the most powerful tool for binary options and forex trading anyone. Okay, so you can also use price action in a cryptocurrencies, but the cryptocurrencies is maximum working on the economical market or the news. So better is that if you are a price actions trader, so use price actions only in a binary or forex is a more good. First of all, when you use a price action, so first rule is that the price actions here, you can see here the candlesticks time frame. If you use 1 minute, for example 1 minute candle, so price actions work is not very much. But when you use 5 minutes, so price actions is not bad. Or if you have a 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 13 minutes, so I meant to say that when the you use a price action, so you can hear mm, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, so price actions will more good for you, because the candlesticks time frame is more important in a price actions. But we are a binary traders, so we focus on a 1 minute candle. So you can use a 1 minute candle in a price actions, but remember that the it is too much risky. But if you have other knowledge, price actions with volume and other some candlesticks physiology or the candlesticks wicks, so you can also apply it here price actions. Okay, so I am here for giving you a price actions detail and take a trade here. Or if this candle close above this line, so I take a trade here with a seller, because of the as per the price actions last time sellers come from here this point. So when the sellers come here and buyers goes up and buyers goes try to up, so when the buyers cross this level, if buyers cross this level, so buyer sellers will also try to come again and try to go market down. If this strategy connected with your trend, if the market is going downtrend, so it is more good. So I need to wait for close above, but this candle is also seller's candle. So this is the point of the first of all, remember that when you use a price action trading, so you can remember SNR. SNR is a support and resistance, and it is a backbone of price actions. If you know about the SNRs, so that is good. How many types of the SNRs and how is work and when is work, so you need to watch first of all the SNR types. Here are the major types I telling you in a one video. First of all, horizontal line. Second one is trend line. That is a good SNR. Horizontal is and trend line is also good SNR. But remember, if you have a SNR knowledge, so you can join with other knowledge too. Which knowledge too? First of all, I take a trade here and tell you, oh my god, that is not also okay. I take no, oh my god, I am waiting for close above, but it is also goes down, so that is not okay. So I'm telling you that when you use a price action, so you first of all you need to know SNR. First of all, okay, SNR is support and resistance, and he many types of this, but I am telling you only two types. First, horizontal line. Second is trend line. So how to draw here? If you see here, I draw this SNR here. Okay, when the color change levels happen, the SNR is created. Okay, so when the color change level happened, SNR will create it. So that is the horizontal SNR. Simple as that. Okay, when the trend line, so you can here, when the trend line you can use, so trend line is simple as that. When the market goes in a one direction, when the market goes in a one direction, so you can use a trend line like that. 2 point you need to matched. You use from body to body and also wick to wick if depend on you. Okay, so this is like a trend line. Okay, so both SNR is working in a simple logics. What is a logic? Logic is a very simple. When the SNR create the level where the opposite party come in a market. For example, market goes up and this red candle come here. When the come here, so this red candle create a point where sellers want to sell. Okay, so there are a logic that this point is sellers point. Okay, so when you identify the seller point, so it is we call the SNR. Okay, so the simple is that vice versa, when the market goes down and buyers comes from this point, so it means here are the SNR level, because the buyers interested to buy from this level, this point. So when the market goes here, this point again, so buyers will try again to come in a market, because the this point is behind of the buyers. Okay, so hopes okay you understand the SNR concept. Same as like a trend line SNR. This is also same. This is also same. This point create the point of interest of the party. Okay, SNR is simple as definition. The point create where the opposite party interested. Okay, so hopes okay you understand easily SNR concept. And when you know the SNR level easily, so you can use with this SNR as a trader, trade in a trading with a volume or other some concept. If you know the volume, where the volume is high or where the volume is low, so you can go with the volume also. Okay, so first of all you need to know some about volume after the SNR. Okay, so first point is that the SNR is the backbone of the price actions. Okay, second is the SNR, second part of that, candlestick psychology or candlestick physiology. If you know this, so it is more good. Candlestick psychology or physiology means that the where is the opening price, where is the closing price, where is the body price. So this point is also important in a price action. So simple is that you know the candlesticks just create from one point and goes high and close low, and maximum body, minimum body, that is a parts of the candlesticks, you know very well, I think so. So this is the second part. And SNR body and candlesticks physiology, that is a part of this price actions. And third thing is more important, and this is the last thing. You have to know that when you know the price actions SNR level, when you know the candlesticks physiologies, so you must know about the trend. What is a trend? Okay, so when you know the trend, you can use a price actions in any market. This informations you can use in any market of the forex market or financial market. Okay, so what is a trend? Here are three trends in a market. First of all, this one. Okay, this one trade is I'm also you give example in a market. This one trend is ranging, you can say this ranging. Okay, this like means market goes in a 2 point So it is the ranging market. Okay, first thing. Okay, examples. I also give you here examples. You can see here, so market goes here and here. This is a ranging market. Okay, so now the second point is downtrend or uptrend. When the market goes down like that, goes down, 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 and creating low to another low, another low, another low. So it is a downtrend market. When the market create new low, new low, new low, so it is a downtrend market. And same as like here, I'm also give you the examples. So same is a downtrend market here. Also examples. Okay, so last thing is that uptrend market. So I am giving you example in uptrend market too. When the market create high to high, it means the market goes up. First high, second high, third high, fourth high, means the market goes up. You can see here, so it is a uptrend. So there are three types of the trend: uptrend, downtrend, and ranging market. And I already covered the three types of the candle, price actions types, and trend and candlestick strategy. So it is a very simple video, and this is very basic information about the price actions. And this is my English video, first English video. Or if you want to learn from my WhatsApp group, so you can join here. I am give here link to separate only binary trading English group, because I have also Hindi group or Urdu group. But in this video you can find the WhatsApp link where only English traders will join the group. And I will, if you like this video or if you give me some response, so I will continue in a English language too. Okay, thank you very much, take care, Allah Nigeban.